My name is Keith Corbett. I'm an independent consultant doing business as Special Forms Software. And specifically with relation to the Knowledge Graph Conference, I'm the part-time student community manager and teaching assistant for the Knowledge Graph Certificate Program Builder Certificate. Yes, this is a part of under the KGC umbrella, which has the annual conference. I've joined the family at KGC in this way. Want to have a recurring program, which I've actually participated in. I achieved a certificate. I got a certificate as a knowledge graph builder. I've been working on building knowledge graphs for a very long time, but I wanted to broaden my knowledge, which was perfect. It was just the program for me. And then having achieved that certificate, I am helping out with the program now. Wow, it's what's interesting to me is the history and then the sudden acceleration. It's asymptotic. We for 30 years, knowledge graph technology has been moving along and doing its thing. And I got into it about 10 or 12 years ago, and it was just a niche. And suddenly with the rise of the AI and the LLMs need grounding in truth and facts, which knowledge graphs are really great for. I think it's heading towards decentralization. Knowledge graphs have been very much an enterprise thing or an academic thing. Those two, and KGC has accommodated both. We have academics speaking every year, researchers. We have people coming from industry as builders, knowledge graph builders, and we have vendors. But I think I saw something this year that I had not seen, a strong interest in decentralized knowledge graphs that use the same kinds of technologies. Maybe enterprises are going to publish data, but we have linked open data from the government and from all kinds of social services and so forth. So I think the future is going to be more knowledge graphs, and they are going to be running on your phone because we have that technology now, knowledge graphs and personal knowledge graphs on mobile devices. First of all, if someone has told you you should build knowledge graphs and you don't know how to start, this is a great place to start. If you have an intrinsic, a self-motivated interest in knowledge graphs and you need to get started, it's a great place to start. And if, like me, you've done work with them, but your scope has been somewhat narrow and you want to broaden that scope, this is a great program for that. We expect to see all kinds of learners, but I also want to mention that it's tailored to adult learning. This is not, class 101 with 19 objectives. This is a broad topic, general topics, and you can achieve this in your own way with your own interests, which is what I did. So I would say if you have the interest, check it out, and we'll help you figure out if it's the right program.